Welcome to a co-engineer YouTube channel. Today we discuss about classifications of random variable. Here random variables are classified into continuous, discrete, mixed random variables. Random variables are classified into three types. Those are continuous random variable, discrete random variable and mixed random variable. Now we discuss the continuous random variable. The value of a continuous random variable are continuous in a given continuous sample space. A continuous sample space has an infinite range of value. The discrete value of a continuous random variable is a value at one instant of time. For example, the temperature T at some geographical area is modeled as a continuous random variable that always exists in the range, say from minus t to t2. Another example is an experiment when the pointer it on a wheeler of chance is spawn. The event s are continuous value from 0 to 12 marked on the wheel. Here spawn now the continuous random variable x is denoted. There's real function x is equal to x dash s. For example, x is equal to a s square plus b, where a and b are constants and give real elements. This is a continuous random variable function. The continuous random variable is denoted as a real function x is equal to x dash of x. Now discuss the discrete random variable. The value of discrete random variable are only the discrete value in the given sample space. In the continuous random variable, the continuous sample space, the continuous value in the continuous sample space. The continuous in this discrete random variable, the discrete values in the given sample space. The sample space for a discrete random variable can be continuous, discrete, or even both continuous and discrete points. They may also be finite or infinite. For example, the wheel of chance explained above has a continuous sample space. If we define a discrete random variable n as integer random number from 0 to 12, then the discrete random variable is x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on 11. Another example all follows. Consider a discrete sample space set of x 1 to 7 4. If we define a random variable x is equal to s square, the discrete value of s map to discrete value of x as set of 1 4 9 16. Probability of random variable x are equal to probability of set of s, because 1 to 1 mapping of discrete point. This is 1 to 1 mapping of discrete point. This is called as a discrete value of a random variable. Let x be a discrete random variable. The integer events are x is equal to set of x1 x2 and so on xn. The probability of x at any event in function of xi, it is given by p of set of x is equal to xi, fx of xi I is equal to 1 2 and so on. This function is called probability mass function of a random variable x. This function is called as also probability mass function of the random variable x. Mixed random variable is nothing but the value of mixed random variable, both continuous and discrete values in a given sample space. The sample space for a mixed random variable is a continuous sample space. The random variable maps some points as continuous and some points are discrete values. For example, like combined experiment, the wheel of chance tossing two coins, the mixed random variable maps continuous points in the range 0 less than or equal to s less than or equal to 12 and discrete points s of 2 equal to 0 1 2. Another example for mixed random variable 10 12 14 15 less than or equal to x 20 less than or equal to 20 22 40 24. This is a mixed random variable. The event, the mixed random variable has least practical significance. These are the classifications of the random variable. This is continuous random variable, discrete random variable and mixed random variables. Thank you friends, thank you very much.